What's up, hungry people? Today, we are making a sweet and tangy cranberry sauce that you can whip up ahead of the holidays. With notes of orange Grand Marnier and a hint of lime, this cranberry sauce goes with more than just turkey. Start with fresh cranberries and a couple cups of sugar. I used about 1 cup of sugar per 1 cup of cranberries, but if you want an extra sweet cranberry sauce, you can double the amount of sugar. When the sugar is just starting to melt, add in brown sugar, minced ginger, and Grand Marnier. You can also use honey bourbon if you're in a pinch. Let the sugar continue to melt while stirring occasionally until the cranberries begin to burst and a liquid sauce begins to form. Use the back of a wooden spoon to continue to pop the cranberries until a majority of the cranberries have released their liquids. Transfer the cranberry sugar mixture to a food processor or blender, and then add in fresh cranberries, the fruit from half a lime, and about 3 tablespoons of lime juice, along with the fruit from 1/4 of an orange, with about 1/4 cup of orange juice. Blend the sauce until it reaches a smooth consistency. Or if you prefer a chunkier cranberry sauce, only give the sauce a few pulses of the food processor. Let the cranberry sauce cool to room temperature before storing it in an airtight container. The sauce will thicken as it cools. You can of course serve this cranberry sauce with turkey on Thanksgiving, but it also pairs well with pork and chicken too. Don't forget to saute up that like button if this video made you hungry, and subscribe for new recipes I post every week. You can find the step-by-step instructions for this recipe and many others at thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a happy Thanksgiving!